the race on. Blaster from the outside, top spin, one on change. Moving up is Pag-asa, Billy the Kid. Moving up by the run is Mr. Tatler. Blaster, the Grey Galloper, followed by one on change in second, top spin, Mr. Tatler. Moving up by the run is My Hermes, Billy the Kid is racing on the outside. And inside the last 850, one a change followed now by the Mr. Tatler, Blaster, top spin, My Hermes, and the outside is entry number 5, La Unlan, Billy the Kid is racing in 6th position as they race the last 500. Now the course of the win has been altered with a favorite Mr. Tatler by about 2 lengths. My Hermes running by the top spin, one a change, Blaster, and on the outside Apo Express, Billy the Kid running by the last 200 meters more to run. It's still the favorite Mr. Tatler in full throttle, this time by about 4, followed by top spin. And finally, the icebreaker, Mr. Tatler, top spin, My Hermes, one a change, and for your Pentafecta,